Back and update. Stand up. Anana betu sema zombi. Sisoma Edukani fire piki Oya Eone lulu Oya Sabadwanika Emi lulu Okivela pezuwe lubache Oma sishaya mapunu Kivela pezuwe lubache Oma sishaya mapunu Ithu sithi abahamba kethi bathi ke ningajuma nibona amaphoyisa abethwe ngithi vele ukuthi amaphoyisa abekhona kuze khona ukuthi kube ne-order. Nawo siya-activate lamaphoyisa ukuthi aqale kwenza umsebenzi wawo because kuyakhombisa ukuthi for the past 32 years amaphoyisa ethu were sleeping on duty. So we are saying as the community as eMchindi, we are tired ukuthi kuthi abantu bangaphandle labangekho documented basidise ama-drugs. We are tired ukuthi boseswethu bathengisiswe babande ngathi bantu bokuthengisa umtimba bendiwa nabantu bokuhamba. So ke this is a right good cause. Umchindi must stand. Singasabi lutho ba-comrade. The police station siyaya. I just received the call right now. Uthi Msholozi is coming here. So into lengicelako, while we are waiting for Msholozi and the other parts of the town, sicela ke ukuthi sinike nje 15 minutes shaye igwithi bonakale ukuthi siyaphila. Then from there besabe siyasukuma siyahamba singena emgwaqweni sishona straight e-police station. Sicela sibambisane ngalo moya lo njalo ma-comrade ukuthi umuntu oseoboshwa akekho umuntu osodutshulwa la lento lesiyendako siyenda siyazi ngingathuki ema-comrades ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi labaningi ngathi bathukile. Ngabe sikawusukumeli lo mjindi wethu, ngabe sikawulweli lo mjindi wethu, bayofika bokuhamba badlale ngathi yaza nini la nini yiba abantu bangibabalisile sesisukumile sithi akungasendeki ukuthi banifake isiphangilanga tensene saba ni bane basibulale sonke babasibulala. Away with illegal immigrants, away with foreigners, away with foreigners, away. Unite Mchindi, unite Mchindi, unite. Yeah, aside which babona batala bakole baside which kube ngiloko 15 minutes nje we're waiting for other comrades from Uno, from station 17. They are coming. Stella ukuthi nishayile igwiji ema comrade bese siyakhona kusukuma. sinabo laba sonzele.
Cameraman. Ascendere sopra il copre, da sotto il copre. Ascendere il copre, che senza va il copre, che senza da,
The Constitution of 1996 must be fought!
Ligama likhona ngaloya khona kamjini. We are part of i-March and March because siyathi ukuthi i-March and March advocateela timbu lesikhala ngalo. La mjini lana sibambe ama-foreigners amaningi athengisa ama-drugs. Sibambe ama-foreigners lamaningi athengisa nemkimba athengisela abantu bakithi. So we are saying we want the order. So we are siyayivuma le message eMachimachi ukuthi asi-activate lama organs estate akhona ukuthi asebenze bese ke asikhiphela labantu batawubuya ngendlela le-right hayi ngendlela lebhedzayo. Nyalo sithi South African Police Service sithi Department of Home Affairs must be activated and do their job because it's clear they were sleeping on duty for the past 32 years. Simenganele sunjililithi nathi we are supporting March and March on basis ukuthi lento lenkulumo bayikhulumako nathi siyayikhulumisa sicabanga ukuthi siyavumelana kuyo. One thing lesito ensure ukuthi as Mjini residents, because thina Mjini residents, we are joining March and March, but we are Mjini residents. One person Mjini, they are peace-loving people. So even as we advocate for our plea and our cries, we're not going to be violent. Today we are saying sitosebenta as normal titovulwa kusetshenzwe but ke thina lesisho ukuthi maphoyisa le-Home Affairs ayibe activated ku-ensure ukuthi i-order iya-maintain South Africa but nje i-peace yona le-order will make sure ukuthi it's maintained always. Yilo sikusho. Sisuka lana eZanele siya police station. I-Home Affairs ipromisile ukuthi itawuta ito-receive in police station, which is proper because we think the police has enough force to maintain the stability that we want. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-right ukuthi siya police station asuka la nje 10 minutes from now siyasiwa siya police station state. Sawubithana tonke la against me siwabikile police station that was still safe.
Ingabeke bahle le
sicela ukuthi kube nale order lesivumelene ngayo ukuze singabopheki uyayibona le ndaba leyo. Angithi le memorandum lesoyimisa letulu lele khulumako ukuthi sibanika i-time frame yokuthi i-response nokwendeka kwetinto kwendeka nini. Umsindo wona sitawususa mara hayi namuhla neyiva mos. Umsindo sitawususa uma ama-department lesiwabitile njenge-Home Affairs nemaphoyisa angavani nathi ukuthi asawafunda amakwerekwere, asafuni bantwana bethu badla ama-drugs. Sitawususa lokho namuhla siyokhala kubobaba nabomakwethu njengo-president ashilo ukuthi asihambeni lento esiyene yani peaceful, asiyene peaceful we-combat sihambeni siye khona. Siyacela-ke sawulandzelana sihamba on one side of the road sibe ne-order. Ngiyanathi ukuthi nayo i-order futhi sakhuluma ekholeni ungaphambi sisanda kakhulu. Ngiyabona ukuthi uzawubuthi question ukuthi sibaxosha nini bese kusuka umthindo lomkhulu. Bona siyabaxosha asibafuni. Sithi all illegal immigrants must go home affected immediately. Yayiva indaba. Mara nje namuhla angithi sisebenzisa lento ye-constitution ne-protocols. Asibambeni ngale ndlela leyo mnakethu. I-right. Asambeni sibambeni sibambana entandla seneni kona lokho ma-comrade. Ngiyabonga ukuthi weniphumile. Sazophuma more if bangadlaleli amandla. Comrade yobonoza kunika mna. Njengoba comrade Dipha sekanitshelile leaders lana namuhla uyokubatshela ukuthi madoda namuhla hamba namuhla. So from namuhla sinababe bahamba after the 7 days kuyobe kunanamuntu lolu kwerekwere eSouth Africa. So nangabe likwerekwere lisele after the 7 days sekusetandleni temphakathi ukuthi sileno njani lelo kwerekwere lelo ngoba shothi likhomba ukuthi linengane. So namuhla siyabatshela bemthetho ukuthi simnika ichance, khiphani labantu benu nibamikise lababuya khona. Nangabe lelo itonhlula kulo 7 days thina emphakathi sidabapakishela sibamikise lababuya khona. Namuhla sibambeni emphakathi ngale peace siyokubatshela letulu ukuthi siniketa lelanga lanamuhla batosheni asambeni community.
Samba ngale ndlela leyo ma-comrade.
Number one line, comrade, one line, One language. Anta. One language. So the land of I need all comrades here.
Als ik ook vakantie, want het is ons land.
All comrades. Correct, yeah. We're not going to be long.
It's still able to get off. Is it of Fombela Masin fighter yesterday? It is recognized. Akulumanga pe. It is it of Fombela is recognized. We found the office of the mayor. Yes, neither a message you are not recognized. You recognize upon Pavelum Tera. So Umchinti. Consistently so, is being disrespected. Lama kansala yetu la. Lenga waboni la. Atokela kushanyisa kwabona. Swapotela kusaspite. Yebe se delete la. Lama kansala lawa. So sunga la shere lama kwenda skichimisa wona. Lama kansala lawa. A whole of 50,000 every month. Marambis in Alele. Very short. Couldn't say good. You tell my cancel allow. I'm gonna leave you now. La macancela, I'm gonna leave you now. From 141 to 145, we don't see any councillor here, and I don't know why. Because not Asha, Svanira himself and Besite as Abasliti. If they are failing to lead us, what's the problem? I'm more sure. Put the problem of it. Okay. I want this message. The figure from 141 to 45. Kuti sitabawini. Sebankoma banata mahedis. Akoma tabu preset suit. Siabona nti se super. Astamona. But we require leadership. Sititile abagawini. Es umchindi. We went to the mind go to special bobani. So get the message I figure over. But tell the netana babaheni smooth peace now. Sitochinja in narrative. Congratulations, the back nominator. That's what produce party. We're sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm sure. The African National Congress will have it. I'm part of it. Mana, your phone has just stopped on the office in the ANC one time. What's it in Bintalani? Let us couldn't be political parties here. But for the past 32 years, the Liberal African National Congress, I must say it loudly. What's are failing us? I must say it. I must say it. It cannot be anymore. What's it went by a stamp to? As fully stamp to la. I'm a community. I'm a volunteer. You're volunteers offer. You're volunteers offer. A community. Let us say Lungisa, Sibamana Chimurenga, Kolunga Futek. We are saying to the African National Congress, which I'm part of it, and if they feel with Sabankosa for stop, need to mean to the African National Congress, commandant of the provincial chair of the ANC, Mchingis Khalil, that is not the voter and Bobelea. Let us recognize Tamu, Abasifa. Westfield. Siti Gumandando, le parti ANC, Mchindi, Katirate Sesquatile, let and bone. Siti Mchindi, if the ANC is failing us, so and exactly what Mandela told us, if the ANC is Sunan Mapun, Sito Kuma Gonzala, Sito Senator. ikhona lena yaba-independent candidate yayathi bosi sotilida la mjini baba sikhophela labantawo sizotilida la mjini isi-ANC sikhophela hayi ngifuna nivume yithi sizotilida la mjini yeah because we are supporting this organization but the organization is not supporting us bayathi kwenekani namuhla they have all the resources abantu abadala bafuna ku-attenda le march the ANC has millions why is it not supporting us why is it not supporting us
Angeke basupporte banabo.
bathena namhla batasipopa sobalaya-ke ngesetekuqala but inosoyenda khuluma njengaphakela umthakathi uthi phakela i-organization langavumelani nalesikwentako namuhla ningevotezi nami ngisho njalo ukuthi i-organization langafuni kulalela ngesiphinde siyivotele so ke we are clear on that one ngase nibe mude kakhulu yencorporate imemorandum yethu iyeta isuka ngala iyeta mayisedleleni ngicabanga ukuthi in 5 minutes nje nginathe amanti nyani wait in 5 minutes uyawanatha ngagwijila emthundini then bese siyayiqala simikisa le memorandum not only comrade Nogolo, there's something you want to add ngicabanga ukuthi kunjalo mara in 5 minutes kucabe khona se memorandum it's just a matter of pretty fair ngoba asina resources phela siphila ngokobetelo uyayibona into le yeah amen abahambe one man one ID one cause one permit siniwe nyawupe siniwe matrax siniwe kudla lokhu expired siniwe kuthathela ama-RDP siniwe kuthathela umsebenzi bantu bafake ama-ID i-Home Affairs angiyiboni please betofika kathi-ke kufuneka i-Home Affairs ifike mphakathi kwasekhaya ngize ngi-emphasize i-Home Affairs mphakathi asibe ne-meeting day one ngize ngi-emphasize i-Home Affairs i-Home Affairs mphakathi kufuna ukuthi nasisuka la kulo 7 days lesibaniketa wona nangabe bangakaqedi kukhipha labantu babo la siyathi sukumela sithatha yona le Home Affairs sithatha yena babesikhonda lapha singena nabo laphakathi edrobheni sikhipha yonke le dodi lesiyativo singena nabo elokishini siyokhipha yonke le dodi lesiyativo nawe tuqashisile nawe lokuqashisile lapha ekhaya lakho lebafuyile ukwathi ukuthi namuhla irent uyithatha kokubhika namuhla kukele namuhla ngefika mhlaka-7 ufulawa noshoyo ukuthi apha ekhaya lakho kunabantwana balapha Afrika indlela engasiyo yala siyayiphashisa siyayitutula so mphakathi ngiyacela ukuthi namuhla sibambeni lo moya lesiwubambile muse kakhulu le spirit esihamba naso sise kakhulu ngicela ukuthi siyibambeni lana sidiliveni le memorandum simeleni le-7 days i-communique sitayikhipha ne-leadership sinitshele ukuthi from today kuya kule 7 days sitabe sihamba ngayiphi indlela amandla buya mjindi buya mjindi buya uthi Bootlifa i-memorandum seyifikile mphakathi ngicabanga ukuthi esikhathi sokuthi siyidilive asive siqhubeka ngememo lapho ngicabanga ukuthi asisondeleni khona la police station emnyango uyabona ngoba i-memorandum yethu seyikhona siyifunze ukuthi sithini lapha kule memorandum then ke 7 days after that ugijima kumuntu we are clear on that one whoever doesn't support us we don't support them asimapharu phela lamhlabeni siyaphakethela ibantu uyabona sokujima umuntu la bacabanga ukuthi sesipolitika phasi kwempethe thina sophume ebaleni we love our mjindi sinebantwana la asifuni ibhayiziswa because bantwana bethu abafakwa so umjindi wethu futhi but isitho bombela ama-contract ngifuna focus kuyo masikhuluma after this meeting leader order phakela umthakathi yeah ngicabanga ukuthi isitho bombela kumele sifocus kuyo after this meeting kufuna sibe ne-program nge-City of Mbombela because bashilo ukuthi abasi-recognize so nathi kufuna singaba-recognize yayibona ya lo melo nami ngam-understand ngile yathi esikhathi mntwana enemuhle ngimake lo hlonipheka ngam-understand ukuthi indzaba thina ngasi-understand so yayibona but nje we'll have a program after that asozele ma-comrades sishoneni lapha sisithumele le memorandum sikhona ukukhulumisa lo sokhona sheshe sishayisa amanta Motor baka. Motor baka.
Spopa. Yeah. Tu di papel kan kazan sa ubang.
Amanta. Ngithola manje. Yeah, ngithi mina le memorandum lenkulu is just ukuthi ibhale emafonti lamakhulu. Ifonti kusho ukuthi le ba explain leli gama, you understand Mstombeni. Ungacabanga ukuthi ifonti easy igama phela. Ifonti kule kubhaleka kwalento, yabona. So ke sikhuluma la ukuthi kubathi first point community concerns. The community has expressed serious concerns regarding rising level of crime and criminal activity within Umchizi. Sikhala nge-crime le ndeke Mchizi. And sibelieve ukuthi le crime le iperpetuate abantu labafika eSouth Africa bangathi uthi bayowendani ekugcineni bagcina bafuna indlela yokuphila bagcina benda le crime. So ke siyathi mosuthi kuze utovula ibhizinisi eSouth Africa you need to have a certain millions. What are mali millions of 5 billions. So madala ndiyo wabona 5 million la. So khona lokungahambi kahle lapha yabona. So bagcina kwenta crime slimali. The proliferation of illegal drugs and drug-related activities. Nama-drugs esikhuluma ngawo ma-comrade ukuthi ama-drugs athengiswa kakhulu bantu bokuhamba. Nalento labathi task force la kanya yata ngithi. Every day angakutshela mphathi stage angathi simlethele ngabantu labathengisa ama-drugs la khaya. Bonke labantu labo baba bantu bokuhamba. Sengakambambi wala khaya. La khaya simthola sibungu nje athi ake wabheka eTulu. Lona uyathengisa yibona. So ke lokho buhlungu umphathi stage ukuthi masibabophile labantu noma waxolisa uthi akusintsandvo yakho kwenteka ngelitsandvo yentsandvo le yentsandvo lesinge understand ukuthi intsandvo yakho yebo uthi labantu mase bala akuthathe baphume shothi likhotho lapho liyasipeyila neiba masuba comrade yeah bathi lana kubhaliwe ukuthi high level of unemployment and limited economic opportunities for local residents. Angathi ngibe babhale wrong yini mabathi sinela khaya asisebenzi. Njengoba singasebenzi so lo msebenzi wethu ithatha kunabo ukuhamba. Angathi ngibe babhale manga mara ngicabanga ukuthi babhale iqiniso. Because ngabe besingasebenzi. Ngabe sonke la sikho phela. Can't have in a normal society have so many numbers. Because into abona emsebenzini. Sikhosi ukuthi umsebenzi nayiva nje.
Yeah, how for the no submiss.
Yeah. The need for stronger law enforcement and improved public safety. Sicela ukuthi baphoyisa ethu athinse sandla la kubokheni. If itsine senda kabi, akaqale ngathi asibophe. Mara kwanyalo kuhleke ukuthi ngibobani abenda kabi. Sicela mphathi stage usebenzele amandla akho usibophele labantu. Ma demand ethu ke. To the South African Police Service, SAPS, is to intensify operations against drugs trafficking, drug dealing, and organized crime. Increase visibility policing and patrol in identified crime hotspots. Conduct regular compliance operation in cooperation with relevant government departments. Provide feedbacks to community on measures being implemented to combat crime. Ensure that all individuals found to be involved in criminal activities are dealt with according to the law. According to the law. Ikini ayika muswa comrade. Ngeke ngathi angafundi kakhulu ngoba ngisokukhumula lokho angibambelele. To the Department of Home Affairs. La Home Affairs la khaya. Bathi nithengisa amapasi make lapha ekhaya. Umfakazi wethu. Lapha siyakhaya bathi nithengisa amapasi. Bathi la emsebenzini wakho make asili nawe wethu la usithuli. Bathi la emsebenzini wakho kusebenza abantu bokuhamba la phambi kwalomgwaqo. Akathi ube banemanga yini?
Kunjalo siyakubona siva bathi.
Home Affairs. Bathi it's a hotspot ema-drugs bakuhamba onke noma foreigners labaningi batholakala kule street sakho lesa. Understand ukuthi indzaba-ke
I-South Africa.
one meeting corporate phakela one meeting so sicela ukuthi make lisilungisele lapha sinibhalele nani la sinayo le memorandum nakini sinikele to the Department of Home Affairs conduct lawful verification of immigrant documentation where there is reasonable cause, process cases involving undocumented foreigners, nationals in accordance with South African immigration laws, increase inspection and compliance operation in partnership with the law enforcement agencies, provide community with information on steps being taken to address immigration and compliance concerns. Home Affairs though angithi straight nakhona itawulunga sibeke njalo ku City of Mbombela nakhona besibabhalele because we invited 3 of them kweta 2 njoba ngisho ukuthi iCity of Mbombela siyayifundzela nayo azayihluphi lento mhla ka 4 November so la bantu sohlala nabo lamakhaya ngoba nyalo bathawa ukuthi banema bodyguard yabona sohlala nabo lamakhaya abantu hlupheke nabo soyitole nabo ngoba ngwanamba phela yakhumbula kutoyitoyi yabona yeah. City of Mbombela, to ensure that all businesses operating within Umjindi comply with municipal bylaws and licensing requirements. Strengthen inspections to ensure legal compliance by all business operators. Develop a program that supports local economic development and job creation. Engage regularly with community stakeholders regarding economic opportunities for local residents. Nahiba boss. Sithi City of Mbombela ingasiphathi kuphela ayiphinde ibe nezindlela zokusicasha ayibe nendlela ukuthi siyakhona kuphila njengoba siyasebenziso ayibe nendlela ukuthi siphila njani bekunelele i-budget speech yamake bakhushe ayingayiva mani ukuthi hayi ngiyazapha lokuhle lapha kule budget speech ngilezi ngithi kuphela ngoba inesihlezi ifilo ma other than that le budget speech nje it was a waste of time ayisinedi thina abantu basemjini but njengoba ngishile ukuthi iCity of Mbombela our next focus point is City of Mbombela tozabalaza from today until the 4th sibone ukuthi ngibobani abanemandla because mina I believe ukuthi abantu basemjini banemandla ngidlula labantu la so ke on that one sitawukhuluma ukuthi sena njani ukuthi siba attenda njani but bona bayifuna attention ngoba abasiboni futhi abasilaleli i-community commitment, not the committee, langithi. As residents of Umjini, we commit ourselves to support lawfully and peaceful efforts to improve our community. Sisistan support. Ukuthi umthetho ahambe ngemthetho, kube nekuthula kulendzawo, sitawusebenzisana. Cooperating with law enforcement agencies in fight against crime. Siyakwenda lo sinalento yabathi task force lakhaya. They deal with crime every single day. So we are doing that already. Ngenhlanhla mphathi station ngaphandle kombhoqa. Umuntu ovule tandla ukuthi sisebenzisane naye when it comes to crime and uyabona ngabe phela bengende kuloko ngabe aniboni lokwendekayo uyabona. Simcabanga ukuthi on that one nami ngimshayela sandla on that one ngiyazama mara sitela ukuthi akufule igiya uyabona. Yeah. Promoting unity, safety, dignity and economic development. Sithi akube lokubambisana, kube nokuthula, kunokuhlonipheka. Lokubalekile economic development. To economic development yeMphathi stage. Lapha entabeni, bantu bakithi bayafa la. Lapha entabeni bayafa abantu. Okay, siyavuma ukuthi bayafa entabeni, maybe nabo bafa emsebenzini wabo. Mara sebaqalile ufaka insinana lapha elokushini abantu. But bantu baphuma bathi sakona njengoba basemthini bathanda nje ukuphumula yabona. Sibandule somako kakhulu masomile and siyathanda kuchandana. Yabo. So ke masithi sisomene siyathi tukukabula koma kwephu. Lapha bathi bema ngensilane la ngasezanini. Bathi babhutwe baphelile isilane last week. So ke lesithusa thina ukuthi sigijima kangaka sishaya abantu bokuhamba. Sekwente njani? Bakama so ngoba hayi ngoba mhlambe sathi usitokhelela kimi. Ngabe president akakasho lento ukuthi unike 600 billion. Bento banenkinga ngoba nyalo ngisenhlaba singakonke vele ndasibulala. Mara nje sesinkoleka ngalokho. Next time announce by imali president because iyasukumeta. We need that 600 billion ukuthi ikhona ukusiphilisa thina sisebenzi. Siyafuna ivule infrastructure development, siyafuna ivule amakhampani leto khona kus empower. Siyafuna ukuthi sifundeke. So kufunda amaboys anga 600 billion it's a waste of time because uyabona nomba stage ukuthi kune order la. Ukuthi umuntu losukumetako ukuthi nesithini lesiphakamisile. So president another one ngibona ngathi uyilafile. Siyacela ke ukuthi before msaka 4 president lo 600 billion asiyubone la mphakathini wethu. Asakhele ma-DP, asakhele tindawo tinkulisa uyabona nje into njalo. Aphinda siphe nayo ngoba sivile ukuthi loye ubafisha phisha phasi kwembhede lokuthi asenza sibambise abambise phela. Yeah. Asende njalo. So request for response. We respectfully request a written response to this memorandum within 14 within 7 days sayilungisa leya 14. Within 7 days sicela ukuthi nisibhalele emphathi station ngelipheshana ukuthi iplan yelithini nje esikhulumile koma feza into enjalo mbombela sayilanda ngesikhathi ye response kuyo. Yeah, mbombela sayilanda ngesikhathi ngoba ngalaleli. Yabona. So siyacela ke sitawujijela 14 do angathi ubhaleke kanjani. Yathi bayaloya phela abantu laba ngathi mawuthi abhala babhale ka. Mara nje ngu7 days do. So sikhona ama community representative la ngaphambili nawubona ngithi we commit order, we commit peace, but we also commit ukuthi we will never stop fighting until ukuthi sivakale. Bona imbi sayibona ngani mphathi stage ukuthi vele nifuna imbi. Vele leliba tange saluwina thine sidla ama ice cream. Saluwina ngembokodo. If it comes that time ukuthi sifuna ukusebenza imbokodo, we are ready for imbokodo. Mara sikhathi sethu manje, sikhathi ukuthi sihloniphane, silalelane, sivumelane, but on the 7th day we call the largest community meeting eZanini expecting ukuthi nisike ama response and indaba entifundzela ona written response. Imbombela ningawari ngayo sawubona sena njani corporate ngoloza ngicabanga ukuthi ku right angathi kubuna ipolipeni la kuwe mayikhona sikabeka somewhere sitawusayina nje mphathi station athi babe sikhonde mphathi station bese uyasayina la celeni make ngicela ungitshela ixolo kodwa baraka ngibhalela naye la celeni asayine nami ngisayine taba na 4 signatures here then we take it from there ngicabanga ngiloko ama comrades. Yeah, lona lesibathi sesikhole lofuna ukukhuluma khole lofuna ukubeka standard ivuli to a meeting leso. Yeah, so let's say memorandum right mafuna standard usozela ngala ungibhalile SMS. You know why we're doing that? We don't want to incite any kind of violence because ngiyathi inkulumo letinye togcina diphethe but hayi ngoba uyaphetha but kunendlela yokwenza into ngani size nyalo kurake ukuthi sifakele memorandum mfana wami mase sifakele sisayinile bese siyakubutana sodwa ukuthi senda njani ke mama ngafikile 7 days nazanda sivela khona ngasibi nebuthi imbo uthi ushaya inhloko vele ngidosho nje manje ngasho labantu angibopha phela uyayibona. Yeah, ngoba ukambuthi ukuthi senda njani ngithi shaya qobo ube ne problem nami ngibe ne problem so as avoid my problem uyayibona lento le right ke but station not unless you want to say something.
Indlela leti connecte ngayo sekalebe inzondo fike labanye bakhala nokumbona mbene entalo sami ngimbone for the first time ngibona abantu laba concerned from the community anigate ngoba mfezile umnanzi because ngema issues nablathers. So thina small boys as Barberton are taking note of the acknowledgement of the memorandum elisabithile. You still have to read it and address it ngendlela lekhona le 7 days esinike yona. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Elizabeth Ongakamwida ngisuka kaHomatez silana ne-team yam sito acknowledge i-memorandum sitibile tikhalukeng and siyadibhisisa kakhulu futhi singomapesi si-ready usebenzisana nani. Sisebenzisana nemaphoyisa sihlale sikhona la every weekend sikhona sisebenza nasekusuku. Sifuna nina li-community isitshele ukuthi labantu sibathola ngoba i-majority yabo ifela khona la emakhaya enu anje. And masifika lapha ebusuku niyaba-protecta futhi. But I acknowledge memorandum ndoyithatha nami ise ukuthi cool down sesibukuyani report back.
Phakela.
Kaya napenda na kapag imat.
Ayithula amaphepha la phansi.
Aba usikhabe kahle sisi. Ngoba besisilo masisuka lapha e4 ukuthi it's going to be peaceful. Bantu basemjini akusibantu bemaDangzong. But if we are provoked sitaba amaDangzong. Fortunately ikhambi kahle imemorandum yethu bayithethe emaphoyisa ayithethe Department of Home Affairs. The only concern sibe nayo ukuthi city of Ngobela uyokuphela ngeke kavi. Vele ke sesijwayele ihlale isicelela every time ishilo usayise compliance ngilo phela. Other than that sihambe kabanike 7 days siswami ukuthi ababuye basiphendule in 7 days. Sicela ukuthi lo 7 days akube lapha ezayini. Ngeke sikhuphule stolanza imemorandum la because it's train us to one bakithi vele asinalutho. So sicela ukuthi in 7 days bavele lapha ezani batositshela ukuthi letikhalo tethu batiphendula kanjani ngiyiphi plan labanayo ukuthi sikhona kusebenzisana ngiloko mara nje basikavumelani ngicabanga nathi imphakathi sesitafaka igiya S2 kwanyalo sigiya number 1 benithi sithemba ukuthi batasiva isikhale sathi 7 days ezani stabe si receive a response from the department.
Tarik